It's set up. Okay, and we're back on the record in cause number, let me look it up. 2021-0D01785, State of Texas versus Benjamin Contreras. Now, Mr. Contreras is still, I don't think he has his camera on, but he's still here appearing remotely. The court has appointed the public defender's office. We were set for an admonishment. Go ahead, Ms. Pages. You had a little bit of an update for us.
Yes, Judge. And Mr. Contreras, if you can turn on your camera and unmute yourself, please, okay?
How do I do that?
Just go ahead and turn on your camera. Or is it good enough for the court?
Well, he had it on right now. So, Mr. Contreras, there's
it says driving, safe driving mode. I'm not even driving. I'm just parked.
I know when he was speaking with me, Judge, his camera was also off, so I don't know if it's something with the phone.
Yeah, I don't know either. Maybe you need to turn off your car. I don't know how that works. I've never done Zoom from the car.
I'm not in the car's not running, Your Honor.
All right. We'll forego that. Ms. Pages, go ahead.
Thank you, Judge. So speaking with Mr. Contreras, Your Honor, his name did sound familiar to me, especially when he mentioned the 384th District Court program, drug court program. I did a really quick search. I didn't see that I was a prosecutor at the time back in the 384th when he participated in that program. But he's indicated to me that he has been on probation. He knows how it works. He is committed to his probation, Judge. He feels at this point that there was a miscommunication with the probation officer, and he would like another chance or opportunity to show the court and his probation officer that he can do what he's supposed to do. He was having some issues, some family issues, and also financial issues, Judge, where he did not have a cell phone. He did obtain a new cell phone, I think through T-Mobile. He works really long hours. He works Monday through Sunday doing landscape, which is really hard job, Judge. He indicated that he had an appointment with the probation officer and she was going to call him between 2 and 2:30. That didn't happen. He did not receive a call within the allotted time frame, and he moved on to his landscaping job.
What date was that?
I'm not exactly sure what date that was, Judge. He just told me that it was between 2 and 2:30 that she had scheduled to call him.
So let's stop right there. Ms. Valverde, do you have an appointment that was scheduled with that time frame? Does that resonate with you?
Is there any month? Because I show several phone calls from March 30th. March 30th was at 12:35. The 5th of April was at 12 o'clock. But I don't show any contact before the 8th of July when contact was actually made, Your Honor. So I don't know when they had this conversation of what time to call.
All right, so then Ms. Pages.
Yes, Judge. So I know that the probation department is asking for an extension, and my client is okay with that. He is willing to do whatever it takes that the court is asking from him. He's asking for another chance, Judge. And speaking with him, his voice is shaky. He's asking that this warrant be withdrawn, and he's on the verge of losing everything that he has at this point. Like I said, he works really, really hard. He works long hours, and maybe they can, now that he has a phone and a way to communicate, they can set up a schedule that is mutually convenient for both him and his PO so that he can be successful on probation, Judge.
Yeah. So he's done this many times and has been in treatment. He's been revoked. He's never been successful on probation. Mr. Contreras, I don't even know why we really put you on probation again.
Your Honor, I was his PO in the past with all of that history there.
So does that conform with what I'm saying? He's never been a good probationer.
No, Your Honor.
Even despite treatment. So here's where we're going to start. I hear what you're saying. Thank you, Ms. Pages. I'm sure Mr. Contreras is really good about extending and then not doing anything. So here's what we're going to start off with. The warrant is going to remain active. Mr. Contreras has until noon tomorrow to go be tested, to go be drug tested.
Okay.
depending on the results of that test, I will revisit the issue regarding the warrant, but the warrant remains active for now. We'll go from there. I can tell you, Ms. Pages, Mr. Contreras, right now, even with a clean test, you're looking at an OCJ, you're looking at some jail time. Okay?
Your
So-
Honor. Your Honor.
Ms. Pages, I don't know what he's gonna ask me.
I'm not sure. Mr. Contreras, can you hold off for just one
Okay.
second?
Okay.
Judge, where would he do his drug testing, or what the, is it any?
Information can give us some guidance.
I can provide him with the address if he wants it right now, or if he
Yes,
wants
please.
me to call him or email him. The address is 10280 Montana, Suite F as in Frank. The place is called Recovery Monitoring, but the banner says RMS.
You understand, Mr. Contreras?
Yes, I'm writing it down right now.
They're open from 8 to 4:30. The last person they take in is at 4, and the test will be $17.
I owe $17. To 4:30?
4:30 they close, but the last person they take in is at 4
Okay.
o'clock.
Okay.
So will that I will have the results by noon, Ms. Valverde? Yes, or you will, I guess. Okay, we'll start there. I don't have a problem if we come back. The warrant's gonna remain active, so we can come back in 1 week on a status, but I'm not changing the warrant status. So you all may need to figure something out there. But we'll come back in a week. I know Ms. Pages is coming in just right off the bat, so. You're not muted, Mr. Contreras.
I know, I'm sorry. I know, I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry.
Mr. Contreras, so if you could please go get that UA right now. Do not speed, as you do have that warrant still pending, okay? And Judge wants to see you back in a week.
Okay.
Thank
I
you
will
very
do
much.
that.
Thank you, Ms. Pages.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Ms. Valverde. Please let me know the results. as soon as
Yes,
you get
ma'am.
them.
May I dismiss?
Yes.
Thank
Is there
you.
anything else for today?